Hello and welcome to today's video, where we're discussing the latest developments in the tech world. There are two main products of Oculus. The first is Oculus Quest. The Oculus Quest is a standalone virtual reality headset developed and produced by Oculus, a subsidiary of Facebook. It was released in May 2019 and offers a cord-free VR experience, allowing users to freely move around their physical space without being restricted by cables. The Quest features two 1600 by 1440 resolution OLED displays with a 72 Hz refresh rate and is powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 835 processor. It also features built-in speakers and a microphone, as well as motion controllers for hand tracking. The Quest supports a growing library of VR games and applications, and can also be used as a PC VR headset when connected to a computer with the Oculus Link cable. The second is Oculus Quest 2. The Oculus Quest 2 is a virtual reality headset developed by Oculus, a division of Facebook Incorporated. It was released in October 2020 as a successor to the original Oculus Quest. It features a higher resolution display, improved processing power, and a lighter form factor compared to its predecessor. The Quest 2 is a standalone VR headset that doesn't require a PC or any external hardware to function, and it offers a variety of VR experiences, including games, social apps, and 360-degree video playback. Apparently, the loss of Meta is because of the less sales of Oculus Quest 2. Let's see how is it different from the Oculus Quest. The Oculus Quest 2 is an upgraded version of the original Oculus Quest, offering several key differences. Display: the Quest 2 features a higher resolution display with 50% more pixels than the original Quest. Processor: the Quest 2 is powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon XR2 platform, offering improved processing power and overall performance. Weight: the Quest 2 is lighter than the original Quest, making it more comfortable to wear for extended periods. Storage: the Quest 2 is available in two storage options, 64GB and 256GB, compared to the original Quest's 64GB and 128GB options. Connectivity: the Quest 2 includes updated Wi-Fi 6 connectivity for improved wireless performance. Design: the Quest 2 has a slightly updated design with improved ergonomics and strap design. Price: the Quest 2 is generally more affordable than the original Quest, starting at a lower price point. Overall, the Oculus Quest 2 offers improved performance, display, and comfort compared to the original Quest, making it a more advanced virtual reality headset. The Oculus Quest has received positive reviews for its convenience, portability, and ease of use, making it a popular option for people who are new to VR or who want a VR headset that they can use on the go. The standalone VR experience allows users to enjoy VR games and apps without the need for a computer or external tracking systems, and the built-in tracking system is generally considered to be accurate and reliable. The Quest's OLED displays offer clear visuals, and the motion controllers provide a natural and intuitive way to interact with VR content. The library of games and apps available for the Quest continues to grow, and the headset's support for the Oculus Link feature allows users to play PC VR games as well. Overall, the Oculus Quest is considered to be a good VR headset, especially for its combination of convenience, portability, and ease of use. However, like any technology, it may not be the best option for everyone, and individual experiences may vary. How can you use Oculus Quest? Play VR games. Playing VR games is one of the most popular activities on the Oculus Quest. Benefits include an immersive gaming experience, the ability to physically move and interact with the virtual environment, and the convenience of being able to play without a computer or external tracking systems. Drawbacks include the limited selection of games compared to other VR platforms, and the fact that some games may cause motion sickness for some players. Watch VR movies and videos. The Quest's virtual movie theater environment allows you to watch VR movies and videos in a large, immersive screen. Benefits include the ability to enjoy 360-degree videos and other immersive VR experiences, and the convenience of being able to watch videos without a computer or external tracking systems. Drawbacks include the limited selection of VR videos and the fact that the quality of VR videos can vary greatly. Explore virtual environments. The Quest allows you to explore virtual environments, including famous landmarks, museums, and other locations. Benefits include the ability to virtually visit places that you may not be able to visit in real life, and the convenience of being able to explore without a computer or external tracking systems. Drawbacks include the limited selection of virtual environments, and the fact that some virtual environments may not be as detailed or accurate as others. Socialize in VR. The Quest allows you to connect with friends and other VR users in virtual social spaces, play multiplayer games, or attend virtual events. Benefits include the ability to connect with others in a unique and immersive environment, and the convenience of being able to socialize without a computer or external tracking systems. Drawbacks include the limited selection of social VR apps, and the fact that socializing in VR can be less personal and less intuitive than in real life. Exercise in VR. The Quest offers a number of VR games and apps that are designed to get you moving, providing an enjoyable and interactive workout experience. Benefits include the ability to exercise in a fun and immersive environment, and the convenience of being able to exercise without a computer or external tracking systems. Drawbacks include the limited selection of VR fitness games and apps, and the fact that some VR fitness games may not provide as effective a workout as traditional exercises. Create and design in VR. The Quest offers a number of creative tools and apps that allow you to paint, draw, and model in VR, giving you a new way to express your creativity. Benefits include the ability to create and design in a unique and immersive environment, and the convenience of being able to create without a computer or external tracking systems. Drawbacks include the limited selection of VR creative tools and apps, and the fact that creating and designing in VR can be less intuitive and less precise than traditional methods. These are the benefits and drawbacks of each example of what you can do with the Oculus Quest. The headset's versatility and growing library of VR experiences make it a great option for those looking to explore the world of virtual reality. Some popular Oculus Quest 2 games. The Oculus Quest 2 has a large library of games and experiences available for it, including Beat Saber, a fast-paced music and rhythm game where players slice through blocks with lightsabers. Superhot VR, a first-person shooter where time moves only when you do. Vader Immortal, a 3-part Star Wars series that puts players in the role of a smuggler operating near Mustafar. Robo Recall, an action-packed shooter where players defend against waves of rogue robots. The Walking Dead, Saints and Sinners, a survival game set in the world of The Walking Dead. Beat Games, a rhythm game where players fly through a futuristic city, dodging obstacles to the beat of the music. Journey of the Gods, a first-person action-adventure game set in a mythical world. Sports Scramble, a collection of wacky sports games, including basketball, soccer, and volleyball. Pistol Whip, a fast-paced rhythm shooter that has players shooting and dodging to the beat of the music. Racket NX, a futuristic racket sports game that combines elements of tennis, racquetball, and other popular sports. These are just a few of the many games available for the Oculus Quest 2. more games and experiences are added to the Oculus Quest store regularly. There could be several reasons why some people might not be interested in the Oculus Quest 2. Cost. Although the Oculus Quest 2 is more affordable than some other virtual reality headsets, it still requires a significant investment, and some people might not feel comfortable spending that much money on a device they're not familiar with. Technical requirements. Some people might not have the technical requirements to use the Oculus Quest 2, such as a powerful enough smartphone to use as a controller. Comfort. While the Quest 2 has improved ergonomics and comfort compared to the original Quest, some people might still find the headset to be too heavy or uncomfortable to wear for extended periods. Lack of content. While the Oculus Quest 2 has a large library of games and experiences available, some people might feel that there isn't enough content to justify the purchase. This might be due to a lack of exclusive titles or a feeling that the available content is too similar to other games they already own. Additionally, some people might feel that the virtual reality market is still in its early stages and that more content will become available in the future. Privacy concerns. As the Oculus Quest 2 is owned by Facebook, some people might have privacy concerns about using the device. Facebook is known for collecting data on its users, and some people might feel that using the Oculus Quest 2 could result in their personal information being collected and shared with third parties. This could include information about the user's VR experiences, movements, and online behavior. Additionally, some people might be concerned about the security of their personal information, given recent high-profile data breaches. To address these concerns, it's important for users to understand the privacy policies of any device they purchase and to take steps to secure their personal information, such as using strong passwords and enabling two-factor authentication. Technical issues. Some people might have experienced technical issues with the Oculus Quest 2, such as difficulty connecting to the device or experiencing lag in games. Alternative options. Some people might prefer alternative virtual reality options, such as the PlayStation VR or the Valve Index. Why the company that is building Oculus Quest is facing huge revenue losses. The VR market is still relatively new and evolving, and it may take time for the industry as a whole to mature and reach a stable revenue stream. Factors that could impact revenue for VR companies include competition, advancements in technology, and changes in consumer preferences and behavior. What are the future products like Oculus Quest? From a consumer perspective, the future of VR products like the Oculus Quest may include increased levels of immersion, improved ease of use, and more accessible pricing. As VR technology continues to advance, consumers can expect to see more realistic and interactive virtual environments, as well as a wider selection of VR content and experiences. In terms of hardware, consumers can expect to see VR products with lighter and more comfortable form factors, improved resolution and field of view, and increased battery life. The integration of new technologies such as haptic feedback, eye tracking, and hand tracking could also provide a more immersive and interactive VR experience. From a maker's perspective, the future of VR products like the Oculus Quest may include a focus on creating truly wireless VR experiences, improving the accuracy and responsiveness of motion tracking, and increasing the level of computing power available in VR headsets. Makers may also work to create more open and interoperable VR platforms, allowing users to access a wider variety of VR content and experiences. Overall, the future of VR products like the Oculus Quest is likely to see continued growth and development as VR technology continues to advance and become more widely adopted. The VR industry is still relatively new and evolving, and there is potential for significant growth and innovation in the coming years. What are experts saying about Oculus Quest? The Oculus Quest has received positive reviews and has been well received by many experts in the tech and gaming industries. Some common praises of the Oculus Quest include its wireless nature, which allows for a more immersive VR experience without the hassle of wires, its ease of use, with its standalone design requiring no additional hardware or setup, and the quality of its VR experiences and games. On the other hand, some experts have noted limitations of the Oculus Quest, such as its limited battery life and computing power compared to PC-powered VR systems, as well as the limited selection of games and VR experiences available for the platform. Overall, the Oculus Quest has been widely praised for its accessibility and ease of use, as well as its ability to provide a high-quality VR experience without the need for a PC. However, like any technology, it also has its limitations, and there is always room for improvement.